Let's do this, nigga.
Alright, mine's recording now. Ready? Alright, don't hold the camera. Alright, ready for this?
Yeah.
N1 versus whatever the hell you have on your Eclipse.
Spec D high flow cat. What up, nigga?
Alright, oh hold on. I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna go first. Rev mine up, then you turn, then we're gonna have a battle.
If I turn yours off as soon as you rev it up. What? Turn it off as soon as you
Fuck.
done revving.
This is the Corolla. It's running a little rich. Now the Eclipse. This is the both of them.